How to fix error 1200 in Microsoft Outlook. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the error 1200 in Microsoft Outlook. So let's get started. The first thing that you're going to do is press Windows plus R and you'll be able to see this in front of you. So here you're going to type down this over here, that is %sign local app data and again a %sign, and then click on OK. So once you click on that, you'll be able to see that this directory is opened in front of you. So let me resize this for you over here. So you'll be able to see this in front of you, that is your username. So you can copy this, that is C, your user, and your username, app data, and local. If you're not able to find it through the command, you can go manually and search for it. So over here, you're going to search for Microsoft. So simply click on Microsoft, and over here, you'll be able to see two folders. One would be Identity Cache, and the other one would be OneAuth. So you can simply search for those folders if you actively use Outlook, and then you can just simply delete those folders. So the other way of getting rid of this error is by going to the control panel. So simply go to the search bar and type in control panel. So you can simply click on control panel, and then you gotta select mail over here, or you can simply click on the search bar and search for credential manager. So simply type down credential manager, and this is what you need. So click on it, and then you gotta click on Windows credentials. Now if you have Outlook anywhere over here, so you can simply click on the specific Outlook, and then you can remove all of those. So once you do so, you will be able to see that this error would be resolved, and that would be how you can resolve your error 1200 in Microsoft Outlook. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.